Hello guys, welcome back. Today is the last day of the month, 30th June or June 30th, yeah, and I'm so happy. So we have passed half of the year, so we are entering another new month, and I don't know when this video I will upload it. So happy new month in advance, and as today mark the last day of the month of June, may God continue to bless us, provide for us with all our needs and wants and our heart desires. May God continue to protect us and be with us all and your family. I love you guys, and my husband and I, we are on the way on an appointment this morning, and I said let me pick up the and I said let me
my God.
and I said let me pick up why and I said let me pick up the vlog in this car, because anything that will come along, you guys will get to know. And that is it. Baby Kelly, we've dropped him off, and now we drop him to school. We drop him off to school, and we are going for an appointment. And today is Monday, and it's so beautiful. Like, I like how the weather is.
Hi. Let's go.
My love, what I did? Wow, my baby is washing the plate. Are you done? You're done, right? Curly, what are you doing?
Come here. Drink your mouth.
One thing about this bottle is that the camera is that way.
Eat.
Hey, goodness, guys. It's not easy. Hey. Really, guys, the time. Guys, it's 4:23 now, but I just pick up my phone. I forgot. This is, oh my goodness, it's 4:24 a.m. and we are awake. See him over there. My baby, see my breast. One is bigger than the other. Story time, guys. I think I will gist you guys when it's daytime because it's dawn and I don't want to talk and you guys cannot see me clear. My boy is doing some strange things this dawn. He wakes up around 2, getting to 3 a.m. and he has refused to let us sleep, and he is not also sleeping. He's doing wonderful things. So keep watching and you get to know what I'm talking about, guys. I'm so happy and my husband is so happy too. I'm also feeling emotional at the same time. So I don't know. Fingers crossed. I just hope it will be like that. Oh my goodness. Caleb is not look how Caleb is sitting. Caleb. Oh. Guys, they say you're like helpless, sleepless. Caleb, when are we sleeping back? I said, eh? With this your cloth. Eh? You refuse to sleep. Seriously? This boy. Caleb. Monkey. It's a monkey. Monkey. Why are you smiling at the monkey? This boy. Tiger. It's a tiger. Show me tiger. Kelly, which one is tiger? Yeah, good boy. That's tiger. Wow, show me monkey. Which one is monkey? Good boy. Is that monkey? Wow. Show me giraffe. Which one is giraffe? This one is elephant. Say elephant. That's giraffe, right? Say giraffe. Crocodile. Say crocodile. Huh. We'll try to make a crocodile. This is bear. Say bear. Tiger. Say tiger. Fish, yeah. Goldfish. Right? Yeah. Yeah, giraffe. He has long neck. Right? You go to the zoo so that you see animals, right? guys. It's so painful, guys. Oh my God. Nobody told me that if you want to do this, it will be painful. So here I'm breastfeeding, like I'm pumping my breast milk out because since morning it has been paining me and it has become so hard that I can't sleep with it. I have to pump it out. It's not easy, guys. It's almost, so it's 12:20 a.m. and he started this thing Monday. We are trying to wean our baby from the breast milk. So Monday I was alone. By yesterday and today, so that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days now. Yesterday I slept here in the living room while my baby boy and my husband was sleeping in the bedroom, and it has not been easy. Thursday he really cried for some hours. Because we are new to this, we didn't know what to do, so we just apply lime, and this boy licked all day. Yesterday my husband and we decided that I have to sleep here because they say if you want to wean your boy, you the mother has to stay away from the boy, and I think it's really working. Yesterday I can say the time my boy breastfed was around 10 p.m. So the whole of yesterday till today, he has passed 24 hours without breast milk. So let's see. Because it's paining me, I have to pump this out. I will give it to him, but I will mix it with cereal or mix it with normal milk, like whole milk, and see how it goes. I don't know. Oh goodness, it's just crazy, but it's fun. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Go to daddy, let mommy go and bath and come, okay? I need to shower and eat.